Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring here in the Treasure Valley. Hey, got another quick tip for you. So a lot of times with hardwood flooring and things, I get asked, there's a bit of a concern when you have a beveled edge like this. So if you take a quick look here, we'll get a close up. When they have a beveled edge where it kind of points in like that, and there's a big concern on how do I clean this area. And a lot of times people will actually not buy these type of hardwoods because of the bevel. And so I just wanted to give you a quick tip. I saw a customer one time, bless her heart, she had a toothbrush and she was kind of going through and getting stuff out. And if you can imagine, over like a 500-600 square foot house, it was taking her forever. And my heart kind of went out for her. But the easiest thing to do is most vacuums nowadays have a suction only setting, or they'll actually say hard surface, or even they'll say like hardwood on it. Click that. What that does is the beater bar that turns like this really fast, it just turns that off and just vacuum over these areas periodically, and that's really good. I wouldn't recommend if you don't have that section setting, because a beater bar, when it goes like this really fast, could dull or cause issues with your finish, and so I wouldn't recommend that. But don't let that be a deterrent on picking something that has a bevel, because like I said, most vacuums nowadays have a bevel on them, and I would highly recommend getting them because they're very pretty. Just vacuum your floor, okay? Quick tip, but if you have any questions, just comment below. Let me know what you'd like to hear about, and I'll address it for you, okay? Thanks so much, and have a wonderful, wonderful day, okay?